Pandora Mobile App Review 2025. Is it still worth streaming with? The surprising truth about music streaming is that personalization still matters more than playlists. Pandora built its reputation on this, but does it still hold up in 2025? Pandora uses its Music Genome project to recommend songs based on your preferences. You start a station, and the app continuously learns from your likes and skips. This creates a hands-free listening experience many users still love. One advantage is simplicity. You won't believe what happens next when Pandora delivers hours of music without constant searching. It's ideal for background listening, workouts, or commuting. However, most people get this wrong by comparing Pandora directly to on-demand platforms. Song selection control is limited unless you upgrade, and ads can interrupt free listening. In conclusion, Pandora remains worth it for users who enjoy discovery and effortless listening. If you want full control, it may feel outdated, but for passive music lovers, Pandora still shines in 2025.